channel. I'm super excited for this week's video. This is actually my second time filming it because I filmed it once and it was not good enough for you guys. So hopefully you like this video and hopefully it turns out perfect. This video is going to be all about how to Instagram. I just want to kind of show you guys all my best tips and tricks and hacks, I guess, for how I Instagram. Lately, I have been using my iPhone to take a ton of my Instagram pictures. So I actually created some new presets. And if you guys don't know what a preset is, it is basically like a filter. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know this, but I made some new presets that you guys can use on the free Lightroom app. So all you have to do is buy the preset pack and then you can use it on the free Lightroom app, where normally you have to have like a Lightroom subscription and use the presets on the computer. This is a preset pack I designed for all of you guys who kind of want to step up your Instagram game, but you don't really have a ton of time to actually like get on the computer and edit and take your photos with like a real camera and have like big old photo shoots. I'm super excited. I will have my Instagram preset pack linked down below, and in this video I'm going to show you guys kind of what all the presets look like and how I edit with them. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, you should go ahead and click the subscribe button that is down below, and also turn on my post notifications. I'm super excited for this video, especially because I'm filming it for the second time, so I have like really high hopes for how it's going to turn out. So I hope you guys like it too, and let's go ahead and get into it. So this is our first photo location for this video. I'm actually here to take a photo in this outfit because we just released our Luca and Gray summer collection. So we have over 70 new items. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So like I said, this video is focusing on how I shoot with my iPhone. And the very first tip I have for you guys is literally so obvious, common sense, but every once in a while I forget to do it and it can kind of ruin your photos. The very first tip is just to make sure that your camera lens is clean. So before we shoot, we always just like wipe it off and make sure there's no like hairspray, or I don't even know what gets on there, but it gets really dirty. You can probably lick it clean if you want to, but I usually just take my shirt, wipe it, and you're good to go. Alright guys, so my next tip is to always take photos in the shade. I personally think the lighting is so much better when you're in the shade. There's not going to be a lot of harsh shadows. Overall, I think it looks better. So as you can see, this is me in the shade. The lighting looks even, the lighting looks good. If I step out into the sun, this is what happens. Alright guys, my next tip is to have a lot of movement when you're taking your photos. I got asked a lot of questions about like posing and stuff, and you guys, I'm honestly the worst person to ask about posing because I'm so freaking awkward. But something I like to do is kind of just be like moving around the whole time, and Parker or whoever's taking my pictures will just take them kind of quickly, so I have a lot of different options. So I just try to kind of keep it like natural and like smile and basically just not look awkward. Another thing that I like to do, again, because I'm so freaking awkward, I like to have some sort of like prop or thing to do or thing to hold. So in this photo, I have a sucker. In the last photo, I had those flowers. Or you can have like a purse, a hat, sunglasses, a magazine, literally anything. And it also gives the photo kind of a more like casual, real lifestyle feel. Okay guys, my next tip is to wear something colorful in your photos, and this is kind of a tip that's like really personal and specific to my Instagram photos, but lately I've just been loving to wear a little bit more color. You can literally go to Forever 21 and find tons and tons and tons of cute stuff for really good prices. I always try to wear something like super colorful, kind of like a bold outfit piece. Okay guys, my next tip is to mess around with different angles when you are taking a photo. I'm gonna put 3 different photos on the screen right now. We just took a picture in this outfit. Each photo was taken at like a different level. We had the phone kind of like angled down a little bit and then angled up a little bit. So there's really no wrong way to take a photo, but the angle that you're taking your photo can sometimes kind of make things look a little bit like distorted or weird. So when you're taking a photo, just mess around with a whole bunch of different angles and kind of see what's best. And then after you have had some practice at that, it's a lot easier to know which angles are your favorite, and you can take your photos that way. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I edit my photos with my presets. So there's 5 different ones: color, summer, home, outdoor, and bloggers. And then I also imported some photos to Lightroom so I can just show you guys how I edit with the different lighting situations and different colors. So first thing you do is select the preset that you want to use, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, click copy settings, and then you're going to open up the image that you want to edit, and you're going to click the 3 dots again and then click paste settings. So you're pretty much just copying and pasting the different settings from each filter, and then you can go in and adjust anything you need to do. So I'm just bringing down the exposure a little bit, and then I also like to crop my photos in Lightroom, and the Instagram crop ratio is 4:5, so I'm just changing that in my settings, cropping my photo, and that's pretty much all I'm doing for this photo. I didn't really need to make a ton of edits, so here's the before and the after. Moving on to my second photo, I'm using my pop of color preset, so I'm just copying and pasting this onto my new photo, then going in and cropping that again. And then I wanted to show you guys how to edit the oranges because everyone has kind of like a different skin tone, so I'm just on the orange tab of the color mix section, so you can mess with the luminance, bring it up lighter or darker just to make your skin look natural, and then you can also adjust the saturation to make the orange more dull or more bright, just whatever you need to do for your skin. So it's super easy to adjust the skin tones. It literally takes like 2 seconds. So here's the before and after of this photo. Then I'm using my outdoor preset. I love this one so much, so I'm using it on the one of me outside by the blue wall. So I'm just pasting this preset, and then I really didn't need to do hardly anything to this photo other than crop it. So sometimes you'll need to make more edits on the preset just depending on like the lighting situation, but a lot of the time it's just like one click and you're good to go. So here's the before and after of this one. Next, I'm using my summer preset on the picture of me outside, so I'm just pasting this on, and as you can see, this one also looks pretty good. I just went in and cropped this one as well. Then I'm going in and just adjusting my skin a little bit. You can see the saturation. I just want to make it look natural, and that's pretty much all that I did. So there's the before and the after of that photo too. So you guys can see the presets are so easy to use, super quick. I also wanted to show you guys this preset. Sometimes it's kind of hard to edit if there's like other orange parts of the photo just because your skin is orange, so it's hard to make it look natural. But I just used the same preset on this photo. I'm cropping it, and then I just kind of adjusted the orange tones. You always want to make your skin tone look natural, so I just adjusted the luminance to bring it down a little bit. So there's the before and after of that one, and then here's what all the photos look like. And yeah, I think they look pretty cute.
Alright guys, so that is my video for this week. I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. If you guys have any other questions about Instagram, you can go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. I was going to do like a little mini Q&A in here, but I thought it would make the video too long. So if you guys want to see an actual video of that, leave some comments down below and I'll answer some. And then if you guys want to see like an actual video on my vlog channel, let me know and I will do that. Also, a lot of you guys ask I'm scared I have lipstick on my teeth, do I? A lot of you guys asked questions about kind of like the business side of Instagram, and my friend JC just wrote this amazing ebook. It's like $15, which is such a good deal, and it kind of is basically just all about like the business behind being an Instagram influencer. So I wanted to mention it in this video since it kind of fit in here. That link is down below. My preset pack is linked down below. That is all I have to say. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys!